Isolated power panels are designed for long service life. There are several facilities out there now with systems that were installed in the 1970s or even the 1980s that are still in operation today. While most of the major components inside the panel, such as the transformer, the enclosure, or the breakers, are very reliable, line isolation monitors can become outdated, unsupported, or unreliable over time, justifying the need for replacement. As with most larger appliances, full replacement is often a very large burden on facilities, especially in sensitive areas such as the operating rooms. PG LifeLink is able to mitigate that burden by providing line isolation monitor retrofit kits. At PG LifeLink, we engineer retrofit solutions for nearly every configuration, including legacy models dating back to the 1970s. Whether it's a PG LifeLink system or another manufacturer, we can very likely modernize the system through a properly designed digital limb upgrade. Retrofitting allows the facility to extend the useful life of their existing infrastructure without the cost and disruption of tearing out an entire panel. Regardless of panel age or manufacturer, isolated power systems require regular testing and documentation to remain compliant. Many facilities discover outdated and non-compliant limbs during their annual testing cycle, which is the right time to evaluate if a limb retrofit makes sense. Not all retrofit approaches are the same. Other providers offer generic kits or parts, leaving customers to determine compatibility in the field. At PG LifeLink, every retrofit is engineered specifically for your existing panel. Now, we review panel photos, confirm configuration, and design a complete solution to fit the enclosure, layout, and application. The goal is simple: remove the guesswork and help the project move forward smoothly. Our retrofit solutions typically include our SafeDetect digital line isolation monitor, designed to support modern testing cycles and improve visibility. Facilities can expect same-day quotes, 2-day submittals, components assembled inside the United States, and support from the industry's largest network of facility-certified technicians. At PG LifeLink, we don't just ship parts, we offer full lifecycle support for isolated power. Often, a retrofit begins with one outdated limb in a single operating room. However, the ease of these solutions can evolve into a structured modernization plan to improve consistency and long-term reliability. If you're evaluating an aging isolated power system, whether it's from the 1970s or more recent, we're ready to review your panel and discuss retrofit options.